SB 180 talks about how there's differences in biological sexes between men and women and how men are stronger and taller. I find that incredibly offensive.
This video is brought to you by Birch Gold, Despite the U.S. blowing through a $31.4 trillion debt ceiling in January, the left White House is still refusing to reduce spending, while other national leaders literally have their heads buried in the sand and when it comes to fiscal responsibility, and it's time to pull yourself out. Right now will be a wonderful time to diversify your income with gold with Birch Gold. In a time of high uncertainty and instability, gold is king and it's dependable. Birch Gold makes it easy for you to convert an IRA or a 401k into an IRA in precious metals. Here's what you need to do. Ladies and gentlemen, hear me out. Text Brandon to 989898 to claim your free information kit on gold and talk to an expert. They're the experts. I'm not the expert. They're the experts. You need to call them. To dig our country out of the mountain of debt, every single taxpayer in America would have to literally write a check for $247,000, which we know we're not going to do. And it's only getting worse. Protect yourself with gold today by texting Brandon to 98989898. So it's 989898. With an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of satisfied customers and 5-star reviews, you can trust Birch Gold to protect your future. Text Brandon to 989898 today and be smart with your money. Like and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notifications anytime I go live, make a video. Make sure you still subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Let's get into this. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, welcome back to the Officer Tatum Show. Fired Up Friday is underway. I want to play this clip from this trans activist that literally made the reference to say that it is offensive. In a world of everybody getting offended, even conservatives, all offended, feelings hurt. Don Lemon need to be fired. Man, why y'all, like, really? That man can be dumb all he want. He can say whatever he want to say. We want to be able to say we want to say, but then Don Lemon said we jump on the bandwagon just like they do. He should be fired. How dare he say that about Nikki Haley? It's like, bro, you can say whatever you want to say, and if what you say is not resonate with the people, then let capitalism do its job. All right, I want to play the clip of this trans activist, and I want you to think and process to yourself what you think about what she said, because I know y'all can't like and subscribe and all that other stuff. But roll clip 3.
Today, my name is Taryn Jones, and I am the lobbyist for Equality Kansas and a lifelong Kansan. I am here to testify in opposition of SB 180. SB 180 talks about how there's differences in biological sexes between men and women and how men are stronger and taller. I find that incredibly offensive.
What are you talking about? You find it incredibly offensive that God made men taller and stronger than women? Like, what exactly are you explaining? It's a fact that generally speaking, on average, men are taller than women are. Men are stronger than women. That's why we have female sports and male sports. Is that offensive? Just the logic of stupidity. And just to put this in context for the people that are listening and you can't see it, I saw the beautiful young lady back there that was a swimmer that's defending her swim team against Leah Thomas. I saw her sitting in the back, so I already know the context of this entire argument. They're having I wouldn't say a debate, but they're being able to testify as to their opinions on the subject matter of biological men claiming to be women and playing in women's sports. But it's funny that they won't say that it's offensive to have a separation of male and female sports. That's not offensive. Why? Because women can flourish when you separate the sexes out of the sports. Women can flourish. But see, you don't think it's offensive and you don't want it to change, because if male and female, if men and women were co-ed in the sport, women would have no glory. Zero. Think about basketball. I don't even think a woman would make a starting lineup in the NBA. Not one. Not even on the second string. And also on track and field. Not even close. A woman will never see the track in any event. if it was co-ed male or female. You can go down the list. Football is not even a question. Rugby, not even a question. Let me see. Gymnastics, not even a question. Have you ever seen a male gymnast do what do they call it, the rings? Do you see, you know the strength that man have to have for him to hold them rings like that? Okay. The Iron Cross, is that what it called? Oh, that when they perform that particular maneuver, the Iron Cross, they hold themselves out on the ring like that. And you got to think that male is a lot heavier, he weighs a lot more than the female do. So that means he got to be incredibly strong to be able to hold himself up like that. Even male swimmers. Male swimmers are leaps and bounds faster than female swimmers. And it's not because by virtue of being a male, by virtue of being a woman, a man's just better than a woman. It's because they build different than you. They're bigger. They got more muscle density, lung capacity. All of those things matter in physical performance. But the world of lunatics, a woman would literally get up there and say that it's offensive.